So we're also going to change out the rear camber kit or the camber arms for the DC5. So you can see here I picked up the KTuned Rear Camber Kit. Really nice construction, has the hardened rubber bushings, these bolts to adjust the camber. These two here, I think it's just kind of connection to the existing sensor. I think the ABS sensor is what it is. And you can see kind of the part number here, rear camber kit, DC5 and EP3, I think they use the same ones, hardened rubber bushings. So that's the two of them there. I also picked up brand new OEM bolts. You can see me kind of just checking fitment just to make sure it's the correct one. But I picked up these two of them, two Honda bolts, 90396 S5A 010. And then I picked up a set of 4 for the other side that's going to connect to the chassis. Also wrote the name on it, but it's 90023 S3N 000. But I have 4 of these and I have 2 of these, and so we're just going to go with new kind of hardware with these camber arms. The reason why I'm doing these camber arms actually is because I'm eventually going to lower the car. Right now it's running some type of like O'Reilly or AutoZone kind of springs back to stock height, but I'm going to lower them, and I'm just going to get these kind of in while I can, just so it makes it easier. Breaking up projects into smaller parts just makes things a lot better.